Hey guys, it's Destiny, and today I'm back with a haul video from MARIEMUR. MARIEMUR is one of my favorite lingerie brands. They are such high quality, glamorous, luxurious pieces that you can wear for the rest of your life, and I love them so much. So let's get right into this haul. Your lingerie order always comes in this nice, luxurious box. It's magnetized, and I always save these and store my goodies in there. It also includes a nice dust bag that you can use for travel or just to store your lingerie pieces in. But let's get right into this. I got 2 sets with a bra and a panty, and then 1 bodysuit. These are from MARIEMUR's new collection. Everything is black, but the pieces feature this really gorgeous snakeskin-like design. I love this pattern. It's nice and subtle. The first piece that I got is the Lilith Bodysuit, and this is a gorgeous sheer contrast mesh bodysuit, and I got the size small. It has underwire in the cups, and the details on this are stunning. So the straps are adjustable here, and it has an open back design. It has the big clasp here, and then all of these are adjustable, so you can really get your perfect fit, and this can fit you for so many years because it is so adjustable. So it has this really pretty contrast on the cup here, and then it has a cutout in the middle, and then the main body is sheer, but it does have some lining. This is a high leg bodysuit, so it definitely goes really high up on your hip, and then it also includes garter straps that you can attach to stockings, but these are removable. So if you don't want to wear stockings one day, you can just unclip this and have just the bodysuit. This is a thong cut in the back, so it's nice and minimal, and it's all sheer mesh in the front until you get to the bottom. It has that really nice little snakeskin design, and this is just a gorgeous classic lingerie piece. You can wear this so many times and you're always going to feel amazing wearing it because it is a classic, but it's an elevated classic that has really beautiful details, and I am super excited to have this one in my collection. And then I got the Lauren set, and this is this beautiful halter neck bra. I love the details on this so much. It is so unique. I don't have any pieces like this, and I'm really excited to have it in my collection because this halter neck design is stunning. So here are the details. It closes in the back with a little adjustable strap. I love how everything on MARIEMUR's pieces are adjustable. It really makes you get the perfect fit, and it has silver hardware. All of these pieces have silver hardware. It has this gorgeous cutout in the front, and it has a mono wire design. So there's 1 wire that goes all across the bottom for support. And then the cup is half sheer and half of this little fabric. It has a classic bra strap like this, but this is actually removable also. If you want to just have the halter, you can, or if you want some extra support, you can have the bra strap as well, which is a really nice detail. I feel like MARIEMUR is so thoughtful with all the details, which is part of the reason I love them so much. And then in the back, it's just like a classic bra with adjustable straps, and of course we have the adjustable straps in the back as well. So many adjustable pieces. This is a gorgeous bra that really stands out, and I feel like this would look so sexy if you wore it under a shirt on a night out. If you have a black sheer mesh top and then you wear this under, I feel like that is such a statement, and it's kind of like an accessory, like you're wearing a necklace or something, but it's just your bra. And I'll give a little close-up of the details there. And then the panty for this is a thong, and it's amazing. It's just a classic thong. There are no adjustable parts on this. It goes so nicely with the bra top. You can also mix and match these pieces, and they are sold separately, so you can choose whatever size fits you the best, which is great. You don't have to get a small top and a small bottom. You can get a large bottom and an extra small top, or whatever works for you, which I really appreciate. So here's a little close-up of the panty. It can sit high up on your hips or go lower, whatever you prefer. I always like to wear them high up. I feel like it accentuates your legs. It has the same gorgeous snakeskin coated fabric, but it's all lined with this little mesh detailing, and MARIEMUR's mesh is the best quality mesh I've ever experienced. I've never had a piece from MARIEMUR rip, which is very shocking, especially with these nails. Like sometimes they'll just end up being holes in my mesh, but their quality is so good. It's kind of impossible to get a hole in it. So here's a little view of the back. It's just a nice thong. It's super comfortable while being super sexy, which is always appreciated. And then the last set I got is the Judy Set. So this is a stunning crisscross detail bra. This has underwire for support in the chest. but we do have some mesh as well for some sexy details. So half the cup is mesh and then the other half is that gorgeous snakeskin coated design. And we have a double strap crisscross in the front. It's so pretty and decorative. It really sculpts your curves and just looks beautiful on. Once again, we have adjustable straps in the back and the adjustable straps at the closure. In the back, it's like more of the snakeskin design, but on the sides we have the mesh, and these pieces are just crafted so nicely. They are top tier, next level lingerie. Once again, this would look gorgeous under a sheer black top on a night out, and then you can have a little sexy set underneath once you come home from date night. And then here are the Judy Panties. This is a thong and it's also very strappy. This looks like an art piece. This set of lingerie is just so beautiful and detailed with all the straps, and I am obsessed with it. So let's do a little close-up. We have the snakeskin design once again, but we do have a little pinch of mesh right there, which I think is a beautiful detail. And then with the silver ring and all the strappiness in the front, it's just gorgeous. We do have the adjustable straps in the back once again, so you can get your perfect fit and you can really adjust it to sit better on your hips or higher up on your waist, whatever you prefer. And of course, this is a thong in the back as well. I love thongs. They are my panty style of choice, so I'm always happy to have some more in my collection. You can never have too many classic black lingerie sets, especially when they're done like this with all the different details. You can never get bored of classic black, especially when you step it up and elevate it with all of these strappy designs. But yeah, that was everything that I got this time around from MARIEMUR. They are top quality, luxurious lingerie, and they are definitely one of my favorite brands. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!